good evening to one and had your tea. How are you all? Fine, huh? I'm also fine. I hope you people are also being fine. So today, day before yesterday's class, we have discussed about how the event took place in the French Revolution. What are the changes took place, and what are the political symbols were being used to show the equality, fraternity, and freedom uh, for the from out of the monarchy system which was present in the France. So in today's chapter we are going to learn France abolishes the monarchy and become a republic country in the Europe continent. So Louis XVI, he agreed that constitutional monarchy, uh, I'm going to give the powers to the National Assembly so that the administration may go smoothly in a forcibly without a willing he was being signed that treaty. So Louis XVI also signed the constitution which was drafted by the National Assembly members. So during that time only he entered into the secret negotiations, secret alliance with the King of Persia, because he was knowing that the people may revolt against him. So as a result, he started doing some secret alliances with the other kings so that with the help, with the support of those kings, he may suppress the revolt in the France. So the rulers of the other neighboring countries, France neighboring countries, they started worrying. Uh, they started thinking about why this kind of development is taking place in the France. So if this kind of development is taking place means, then surely my in our country also, in our places also, the people may revolt because it is a neighboring country. Surely within a minute the what we will tell, the ideas will be spreaded there. So they started thinking and they started sending the troop to help the Louis XVI there, okay, to put down the events, whatever events were being raised had been taking place since the summer 1789. From there onwards till here, till their negotiation, till he accepted the constitution, till that time the people, neighboring countries as well as the King of Persia, King of Austria, they were helping the Louis XVI to come out from the situation. But each and every people were knew about what it is going on in the France country. Okay, it was a fight between aristocratic monarchy system and the common people there, because common people were fed up of their administration. So as a result, they took the initiative step here to revolt against the king. Okay, before this could happen, before it could take on place, they started sending their troop, so to stop each and everything in the France entering these other troops into our country, into the country of France. Before this could happen, this event could happen, the National Assembly voted in the April. The election were been started in the National Assembly in the year 1792, and declare war against the Persia and Austria because they were supporting the Louis XVI. You were supporting the unfaithful king, as well as he's what will he an inefficient king, because you're fearing that our thinkings, our ideas will be spread in your places also. So may um, the other people may revolt in your country, in your citizen. So as a result, you are supporting him. So before they taking this initiative step only, the elected members in the National Assembly, they declared war against the Persia and the Austria. So the other king saw this was a war between the people and the king. So some of the patriotic song were being sang in the France country, that too in Marseillais. Marseillais is the place name. Marseillais is the poem name which is composed by a poet called Regot. It was sung for the first time by the volunteers from the Marseilles. Marseilles, it is a place name in the France there. So from there, they started singing the national anthem, which was being composed by the rocket as they were marching towards the Paris. Okay. So why the name Marseillais came? Because it is a place name. Why they have given this national anthem means the first, the volunteers marching towards the Paris to teach the lesson to the king. this national anthem was being sung by the people. So there was the first, in that place, the people started singing for the first time. So we will see the Marseillaise, the national anthem. At present also in the France, this is the national anthem. At present also. So the revolutionary wars brought a lot of losses and economic difficulties to the people because of political instability. Economic condition was not good because of bad harvesting and everything else. So large number of sections of the group, they were convinced that this revolution will take a little bit more time, and the women should play a very important role in the feeding of their children, to take out the care of their family members. So each and everything they started uh, thinking about their future, their future their future. The women also participated very well. So okay, they did not give up the revolution in the France, but also the women's were being joined. They started going to seek the job, to feed their family when their husbands were being busy in the doing the revolution, behalf of their children, as a behalf of their mother, grandmother, their wife. The men society was working very hard. Same thing, hand in hand, women's were also being supported by them. As a result, both were being convinced that this revolution, it will take a little bit more time. As they are given the political rights to the rich people, the political club were also being organized so much in the France. They actively participated in the revolution. Political clubs, they became one of the important center, rallying point for the people. And whatever they want to wish to discuss, this kind of government should be there. Openly in that clubs, they started discussing their own plan, their own actions, how we should revolt against the king. Each and everything they started planning in the political clubs. So these political clubs attained more and more important in the France there. Okay, the common people, businessmen, traders, merchants, each and every people were being joined in that political club. They started discussing what kind of government we should have, to whom we have to give the political right, to whom we have to give the right to vote, to whom we have to give the opportunity to stand in the election, what type of government should be there, how many members should be there, still any kind of changes we have to do in the constitution or not. Each and everything they started discussing. Among those political group, one political group was very famous in the France. That political group is called as a Jacobin club. So this is the political club. It was most successful club in the France there. So even women's were also having the political club. They started chit chatting with the other women's, how the right should be formed. Our rights were being denied. The women's right, somewhat or somewhere else, the women right were being denied in the constitution which was written by the National Assembly. So they started discussing among themselves what kind of rights we should have, and what kind of rights should be there in the National Assembly, so that even our problems will be raised in the national level and it will be sorted out. So in this way, among those educated women only, they started organizing their political club. They also actively participated in the political meetings, political aspects, wherever the revolution where been took place. Even hand in hand, even women also played a very important role. So the members of this club, that is Jacobean club, were a very less prosperous section, that is not more rich, little bit less rich people organization was been there. So they included the small shopkeepers, artists, shoemakers, cooks, watchmakers, painters, as well as the servants, daily wage workers. All the members, they became the member of Jacobean Club. There was a famous leader called Maximilian Robespierre. He was the leader of Jacobean Club there. So he started uniting the people. He started giving awareness about the situation, how the Louis 16 he is doing the two phases. Here also he is agreeing the constitution, as well as he also doing some secret negotiations, secret alliances with the other king, so that in our country, whatever revolution will be there, with the help of those army, he can suppress it. So he started giving awareness to the people. So if this thing will be continue in the France, means it is very difficult to have a republic form of government as well as one stable government in the France country. A large group among the Jacobins decided to wear a long strict. They were having their own dress sense there. They were wearing those dresses only for their communication as well as for moving from one place to another place. Okay. It was a long strip. The pant was having long strips there, and before the dock workers, the people those who are living in the dockyard, where the ships will come and all the goods and services will be packed and unpacked. So those workers they were wearing, and they were wearing knee breeches also, knee here in the elbow side, everything. They used to wear the breeches, but these people did not wear any kind of breeches there, like Bermuda. In Kannada, in a common language, we call it as a Bermuda, small clothes they were wearing on that pant. So these people were not they were not using this kind of breeches for their wearing. So long strip and shirt they were wearing, one red cap. The men they used to wear the red cap. And this kind of dress sense, afterwards we call, the people started calling us as a sense clothes. Okay. Sense culottes. This kind of dressing where they started calling it as a sense cloths, because whatever they were been using, the dockyard workers, that type of dresses, little bit slight changes. They were not using the breeches there. Breeches means a small Bermuda what they were using to wear on that dress code. So they were not using that one, so new name was being given to them. So this kind of dresses that kind of dresses they were wearing. The Jacobean club members were been using that uniform there. So the newly elected assembly was being called as a convention. On 21st September 1972, it abolished the monarchy system and declared the France as a republic country. So a republic is a form of a government where the people will elect the government, including the head of the government also. Republic means each and every people here will be elected by the people. There is no hereditary monarchy. That is, hereditary means Louis XVI son he will become the king, and his son he will become the king. That kind of administration was being eradicated on the month in the year of 1972 on 21st September. So Louis XVI was been sentenced to the death by the court. There is no charge for treason. Treason is nothing but betrayal on the of the country's government. That is, in Kannada we will tell treason. For treason, we will call in Kannada as a Nambike Droha. So there is no. They put the charge of treason there. So as a result, in the year 1793, in the month of 21st Jan, he was being executed publicly. In publicly, he was being guillotined, and he was being died. Okay. After his death, the Maximilian Robespierre, the leader of Jacobean Club, he took the oath and he became the leader of the France country, and he started ruling. So his administration, we call it as a regime of terror. The regime of terror is nothing but his administration. His administration was very fearful in the minds of the people. So his administration from 1973 to 1793 to 1794. This is the period of regime of terror. Robespierre followed the policies of severe control and the punishment. If anybody opening his mouth against his administration, means severe punishment was being given. So he started punishing his enemies, members of other political parties, those who were there, his opposite party, even the members of his own party who were not obeying his orders. his rules and regulations. The people were being arrested, imprisoned. After they were submitted to the court, and if the court found they are guilty, means they were being guillotined. This mission was been invented by a Dr. Guillotine, so that weapon name is called as that. His name only kept for that weapon, that is guillotine. So his government as well as his administration, he issued the placing of maximum ceiling on wages and the prices. He started fixing. Ceiling means fixing, maximum fixing the prices as well as the wages for the people. Meat and bread were being rationed. According to the ration, the people started getting the meat and the bread in the French market. Peasants, that is farmers, were being forced to transport their grains to the cities and sell at the prices. What prices the government is fixing for them? Okay, it at the prices fixed by the government. So farmers forcibly they have to sell their food grains in the town, in the cities area only. So at what price means what the government will fix the price, at that price only they have to sell, whether it is less or whether it is a more. Compulsory they have to sell in the government authority in the cities area. All the citizen has to eat equality bread, one type of bread only they were making. So that bread we call it as a pain the egalite, and loaf made of whole wheat. I will show the picture in the later what is a loaf. So they started eating one kind of bread, and instead of using the traditional name sir and madam, they started using the words called citizen and citioni. Uh, it means the citizen. Okay, this men, citione means women. The meaning of citizen is citizenship. Instead of using sir and madam, they started using these two words to address address each other. So churches were being shut down, and their building were being converted into the barracks, where the military force started living in that area. That we call it as a barracks, and they were converted into the government offices. So his administration was very strict, compulsory. Each and every person has to follow. If any people are denying these policies, means severe punishment was being given. So after some time, his followers only, his supporters only revolted against his administration, and they cased file against Maximilian Robespierre in the court. So in the year of 1794, in the month of July, he was being arrested, and he proved he is a guilty person. So next day only he was sent to the guillotine. Even the condition was very fearful, that we call it as a region of terror. Terror means fear. Fearness was been there among the people. If we are not willing to do these policies also compulsory, forcibly they have to follow these rules and regulations. So that kind of fearness was been there among the people, because if they are not following these rules and regulations, means they were being severely punished or they were being killed under the guillotine. It is a machine where the people were being killed. That even Louis XVI publicly he was being by using this instrument, as well as they by using this machine only he was being killed. So this machine were being used more and more time. Okay, even Maximilian Robespierre, his administration were being fed up by the people. The people were very fed up of his administration, because each and everything he was making rules and regulations. Even he started closing all the political parties, opposite political parties, those were living in the France. Even women's were not having the authority to open any kind of political party during his administration. So each and every power was under his control only. So one kind of fear was being there among the people, that if we break the rules and regulation, means surely we will get the severe punishment. So his period we call it as a regime of terror. After the death of Louis XVI, and the Mary Antoinette also, she was also being died under the guillotine only. So his administration for 1 year, the people were been there. After that, the people and his supporters only, they did not supported him, and he was being executed, convicted. That is, he was being removed from his administration. So the Jacobean Club, we will see the downfall of that political club. In club, instead of telling Jacobean Club, we can tell it as a political party also. So in this way, his region as well as his administration was very terror. Okay, by this only will come to know. One person was been there in the ancient period, Hammurabi. He, what kind of person he was means, if any person think that he's cutting, so he's killing a person, he's a murdering a person means, the punishment was the other person should murder them. Okay, if he is breaking one hand, okay, one A or B, they are fighting. A, he broke his he broke the hand of B. Okay, so the severe punishment was the A should also broke, the punishment was been that they should also broke their leg, and whatever sin, whatever mistake they are not mistake, whatever criminal offense they were doing, same criminal offense were being given to those people. Okay, so tit for tat, tooth for tooth. Okay, diamond cut diamond, we will tell na, ವಜ್ರ ವಜ್ರದಿಂದಾನೇ ಕಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೈ ಮುರಿದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಮ್ಮುರಬ್ಬಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರ ಹಮ್ಮುರಬ್ಬಿನೂ ಅದೇ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ನಂತ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುರಿದವನ್ಗ, ನಿಂದು ಕೈ ಆ ಕೈನೇ ಮುರಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಫಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್, without mistakenly, if they are doing a wrong thing in a France society means, he was getting a severe punishment. I am comparing Maximilian Robespierre to Hammurabi. Okay, even Hammurabi administration, the people were been having a fear that if we do a single mistake, even small mistake also, that same mistake the person has to be bared. So same thing, he was also like that person only. If any person going against him means, we should think that surely we will get the severe punishment from their government only. So that kind of that kind of fear was being created among the people. So after some time, when the people came to the fed up, they revolt against that person only. So he was also being guillotined, he was killed publicly in the front of the people. After his administration, another form of government was being established in the French society. After the downfall of Jacobean Club, wealthier, that is rich middle class people were been there na, they controlled the power. They made a new constitution and denied the powers of non-property section in the society. Okay, the wealthier middle class people, that is the rich people in the middle class, they control the power of the France, and they did some changes in the constitution. New constitution was being written. According to that new constitution, the people, those are not having any kind of property from them, the right to vote was being taken back. Even women's were not also, women were not given the, what we will tell, right to vote for them. Even women's were not having opportunity to stand in the election and win in the election. That kind of opportunity was being not given for the person, those are not having property, and the women. So these two sections, powers were being denied, that is took back. So by this, it provided the two elected legislative council, two elected, the people, those are having the property for them. They were having the chance to elect their members in the two councils there, and then those two councils, they will appoint, as well as they will appoint a director. Okay, they will appoint the director, that is head of the government, and also 5 members. That legislative council, they used to appoint the head of the nation as well as the 5 members. After that, the administration will be happen. So that kind of new administration, new directory rule was being started in the France. This was also not stood, this was not also a stable political administration, what they have been adopted after some time, after some years, between these two members only, that is directors and the five members, always the conflict was been rising. Each and every people, they were not having a good communication, and each and every person were having different ideas, and they were not agreeing to support another person. So always the clashes was been raised. uh, Sorry, always the clashes were being raised among the directors and among their five members. So one political instability was being raised in the France. So this instability, during this condition only, a person, a military dictator, a military powerful person called Napoleon Bonaparte, he took the advantage of this political instability, and he controlled each and every power in the France, and he started his administration in the France too. Okay, so he eradicated the directory rule, and once again he established the monarchy system in the France. Okay, as well as dictatorship. Each and every power was under the control of Napoleon Bonaparte. He was a very famous person, as well as he was one of the good administrator in the France. During his period only, the France, comparing to the other countries in the Europe continent, the France was very powerful under his administration. So lot changes he brought in the administration system, and many common people were being happy. Even the economic condition was been very good. That you're going to learn in the next sessions also. So this political instability situation, one person encashed it. Okay, he took the advantage of that instability only, and he controlled the power of the France, and he became the military dictator in the France. That person we call it as a Napoleon Bonaparte, and he started his administration in the France after eradicating the directory rule from the France country. So, have you seen the Maximilian Robespierre? How that person is there? Because each and every people you have seen, even in V16 also, in that video you have seen. So even, have you seen the guillotine? Guillotine, what is the guillotine? Guillotine, I'm telling, what is that weapon, ma'am? What is that instrument? What is that what machine? The people were being killed. So here is the picture of Maximilian Robespierre. Sorry, this is the person, Maximilian Robespierre. For 1 year, the fear was been there among the people. Fear was being created among his administration only. Even though he gave some percentage of relaxation to the people, but also people were having some fear if they are going against the government things. And this is the guillotine. You can see the two poles, and a blade will be there here. Okay, so this is the blade. So a person will hold this blade will be holding by a wheel here. Okay, you can see a wheel, and for that wheel they have tied the rope, and one person will be there holding that rope, and the person who are being guiltied, who are being punished to guillotine means, this in this way they used to cut their head. Okay, the Louis 16 Maximilian Robespierre will be killed, okay, in the public. So this machine as well as this instrument was been invented by a person called Dr. Guillotine. So his name only kept for this instrument, so that is why we call it as a guillotine. I hope you people understood the concept of today's. So how the France became republic under the administration of Jacobean Club, and how the political parties were in there in the in the France country, and how were their dress code, and how the regime of terror, that is that his administration, Maximilian Robespierre, what was his administration, how he did. After that also he was being guillotined. On what reasons he was being guillotined, I have discussed. And the directory rule was being started once again in the France. A new constitution was being written, and some of the powers were being denied. They took back the powers of the people those who are not having any kind of property, and the women's section, they were not having any right to vote their representatives. So it provided the two legislative councils were there. So those two legislative council, they were appointing the director, who is the head of the nation, and also they were appointing the 5 members for the administration. So after some years, between them only the clashes were being started. So as a result, political instability was being raised. So this situation was being took a person took the advantage of this situation, and he started his administration, that is directorship administration in the France. He is none other than Napoleon Bonaparte. So during his administration, the France was called as a one of the powerful country in the Europe continent. So how it is there means, in the next session you are going to learn about his administration, as well as in the next year in the 10th standard also about his administration. Some points are being there. So by that you will come to know how he was doing the administration to the people. Okay, how he was giving administration to the people, why the people were very happy towards his administration. Each and every person in yeah, France country were been very happy by his administration. So regarding this, you are going to learn in the next session. So I have shown the picture of Maximilian Robespierre and guillotine. Guillotine for 1 marks. Who is the person who invented the guillotine instrument or a machine? And what is the definition of guillotine? Guillotine means it beside the two poles will be there, one blade will be kept here. Okay, that blade which with which a person be headed, the head will be cut there. So it is named after the guillotine who invented this instrument as well as this machine. So I hope you people understood the concept of today's what we have discussed, what I have discussed in this video. So if you are having any kind of doubt, you can just pin your question in the group. I will try to find out your um, what we will tell. I will try to find out your problems, okay, as well as a solution for your problem. So signing out, have a good evening, bye everyone.